want the sisig silog?
Yeah, sisig silog chopped pork with onions and chilies, the rice. Which one?
Sago na.
Oh yeah. That's a good one. Yeah. Someone ordered that one, huh? Wow. Oh.
Fried garlic.
Yeah. Chef Joe prepared the sisig silog. You saw him, firing that up, getting the sizzles going. The sisig is a pork ears, made with pork belly and pork ears, right? The garlic, the spices, the chilies, the garlic rice, egg, and some veggie portions. Excited to try our food at Cuisinera Ating da Pinoy. So, love Filipino food. Let's get going. Let us get started here. You can see there the sisig. I mentioned earlier to them that I'm a big fan of the sisig. And then you have the garlic, the scallions. And let's get going here trying that pork sisig over the garlic rice. So I'm excited here. I'm actually gonna do it the Filipino way and use my spoon at the same time. This is how we do it. Those chilies. Yeah, you get a little closer. Yeah, you can see here just the abundant amount of garlic on that rice. Okay, I think that'd be a good bite right there. Let's see here. Add a little bit more meat on that one. We can go with that bite first. All right, first bite. Bite. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the sourness, the garlicness, that vinegar, the onions, and that sisig, so soft, and just really that flavor just penetrates. You really taste that vinegar. A little bit of spice from the chilies, but it's all about that porkiness of it. All right, let's keep going here. Excelente. Very good.
Sir, appreciate that.
I think this next one we're gonna chase it with, let's put the egg over it. Let's put the egg. Now, usually I would save this, but I just want to show you that nice yolky egg. I'm gonna break into that egg right now, and it's just gonna drip over that sisig. Oh, yes, yeah, okay. A little bit over the rice as well. We're gonna get a bite of that. The eggs and the sisig and the rice all together. We'll get it all in like one scoop. So, and maybe I'll chase this with a tomato. Okay. All right. We're gonna take a bite of this right now. I got some egg and some sisig and some rice on that. We'll chase that with a tomato. Here we go. Bite. Oh yeah. Oh, that added egg addition, fantastic. No, that really just elevated the flavor, that yolkiness, that egginess. But yeah, that pork SISIG is absolutely delicious. Oh, we gotta chase it with the tomato. Bite. Oh, oh yeah, that definitely breaks down that richness. That nice juicy ripe tomato. Yeah, that's fresh and delicious. Just navigating through here. Just, I think that ratio of egg and SISIG and garlic rice. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that garlic rice is just amazing. Yeah, it's so good. All right. Okay, and we'll probably chase this bite with a cucumber bite this time. Okay. See that there? Yeah. Oop. And bite. Oh man. Immediately chase that with a cucumber. Oh. Woo. That is just like, yeah, that freshness, the crunch for the cucumber. Yeah, that again, it really breaks down a lot of that richness, and the richness is delicious, but you kind of want to have that nice fresh balance, and that's what those vegetables are doing. Yeah, but that SISIG and egg and rice is amazing. Okay, got a nice plump chili right there. A nice Thai chili. We're gonna scoop that up. Maybe get some chili with that. Okay. And then so get some of this egg here. So just get a slice of egg. Just layer that egg right on top. Okay. There we go. And we have that chili right underneath right there. Okay. Bite. Ooh. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh, that Thai chili, man. That's got a kick. Wow. Oh, that flavor just keeps giving. And that spice just keeps growing. I love it. I might need to chase that with some tomatoes. Okay. Another scoop of that. That Thai chili keeps growing, but it's just yummy. Here we go. That tomato goes excellent with the SISIG salog. Oh man. This right here, you can see that pork skin, that fatty piece right here. Oh, you know that's just gonna be all kinds of wonderful flavors and melt in your mouth fattiness. Oh man. Oh, that pork skin fat, man, that is just, wow. That's full of flavor. That's so good. I love it. Definitely. It just keeps giving, man. I'm telling you right now. There's just like embedded with that porkiness, that vinegar, that garlic. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Okay. Pork lumpia?
Yeah.
Pork.
One of our bestsellers.
Oh. Wow, they brought me some lumpia. This pork lumpia. House-made pork lumpia? Oh wow. So house-made pork lumpia from Cucinera. Thank you for sharing that with me. I am we'll take a bite of that. She said it's really hot. Okay. She said it's hot, but I'm gonna go for it anyways. I want to try one of these lumpias. Ooh yeah, they are very hot. Maybe that sauce will cool it down. House-made. Bite. Ooh. Wow, it's hot. That's excellent. Nice and crispy, piping hot, ground pork, and just a nice sized lumpia. Nice sweet and sour sauce to dip with that. Oh, that's good. Let's finish this up. Yeah, let's chase with that. Oh, wow. Okay, so I have a sagot gulaman here, which is I guess recommended drink. You can see some of that boba in there too. Nice ice cold, and yeah, I'm gonna need some of that right now. I'm starting to perspire. Come on. I'm never good at that. And sip. Oh yeah, that is so refreshing. Sweet, that jello. No, it's not boba, it's actually grass jelly or gulaman, maybe that's what it's called. Yeah, this is a perfect drink for when it gets hot, like right now. Okay, Joe, Rose, see you guys. Thank you. All right, that was Cucinera. Oh, that was absolutely delicious. Enjoy the food there. Filipino food right here in San Lorenzo. Yeah, I'm just gonna close it up there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. And as always, enjoy that bite life.